Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 6 different designs using your cat eye gel polish. So if you're ready to level up your cat eye nail game, just keep on watching. This is the cat eye gel polish that I'm going to be going in with. First, we're going to start off with bringing the cat eye fully to the front. So you want to take this cylindrical magnet. I find they're the strongest to make sure it's a bigger one. And you want to do one coat of your cat eye on your nail and then use this big cylindrical magnet to kind of, in wispy motions, bring the cat eye to the front on the side. You'll see here how you can do the little glass nail, and then you want to do the other side. You're trying to make sure that everything will be going to the center with this one, so you want to keep doing that until the cat eye is very center, and then you want to bring it to the tip and do the same thing, windshield wipers or some like pushing motions and tilting. If you need more help with bringing the cat eye to the front, I have a specific in-depth video for this on my page. So design 1 is done. Now we have the spotlight cat eye, which is super fun. So you want to start off with everything in the front, and then you want to take your cylindrical magnet and kind of go in circular motions. So you want to see how I'm bringing it around. I'm pushing all the cat eye into the center there. If you wanted an aura cat eye, this would be the perfect place to stop. You want to make sure not to leave it in one spot too long, but you want to keep going around and making sure you push everything into the center, and you can go a little bit faster with your roundabout to make sure that everything stays. You can see it's coming together. So you want to keep doing this until it's super small in the center where you want it to be. Doing the faster motions here, and then that's how you get your tiny spotlight cat eye. So next we're going to show you the simple line cat eye that is super stunning. So you want to start off with your full cat eye brought to the front, and then you want to take your rectangular magnet and leave it on an angle just like that, as close as you can. And I kind of like move it a little back and forth, and that's how you get your beautiful strong line cat eye. So then I want to show you how to do an ombre cat eye, which is unreal stunning. So this time I'm just doing the coat of my cat eye polish, and I'm going straight in with my rectangular magnet. So you see I'm starting at the base of the nail and I'm pushing the cat eye towards the tip with the magnet facing up. You want to keep doing this, and I like to kind of throw it a little bit. You see how I'm kind of like flicking it to kind of like bring it down a little more, but not like a harsh line. And then you also want to make sure you're focusing on the tip, holding it horizontally so that the cat eye can like pull into that area on the base for like that stronger on the tip type of vibe. And then you want to keep kind of pushing lightly and flicking motions and keep making sure you're focusing on the tip as well. Keep doing this and practicing, and then you'll have your beautiful cat eye ombre nail. This one is low-key my favorite, but we're gonna move on to the swirl cat eye nail. So you want to start off with all your cat eye brought to the front. Again, take your cylindrical magnet and you want to just focus on the 2 corners. You see how once I just push in on the 2 corners, it kind of creates the swirl already. And then you just want to kind of trace over that line. You're putting the magnet where you want to eliminate the cat eye polish, so it can be as wide or as skinny as you want it to be. So keep kind of playing around with that until you get your desired swirl. Like I think almost there, and I want to make it a little bit thinner so I can focus a bit more on pulling that swirl together. Once you're happy with the placement, you've officially completed the swirl cat eye nail. And for our last one, I'm going to show you how to do like an opposite French kind of vibe. Like you can see here, the French has no cat eye. So you want to start off with the full cat eye brought to the front, and I want to take a thin rectangular magnet like this one, and I want to place it perpendicular to the nail just like this, and you want to kind of tilt it towards the nail, and you can see how the cat eye kind of comes together and eliminates it on the French part. So this one's super fun. And that concludes the 6 different types of nail art that you can do with cat eye. This you'll just see me doing that magnetic heart, which I have a separate video for just so I can send my love. But I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. Let me know what you would like to see next in the comments down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.